Merchant Services. In this module, you will process a credit card transaction and void a credit card transaction. Let's set the scene. You need to process a credit card payment for a visit. You will use the scanner to process the transaction. On the calendar, we'll locate and double-click on a patient's appointment. We'll click the PCP Visit button to process a $15 copay. Then we'll click on the credit card icon. We'll choose Credit Card Present from the Pay Method dropdown. Next, we'll click in the Name on Card field. This step must be performed before swiping the card. Then we'll swipe the card. The account holder's info will appear on the screen. If your internal policy permits saving the credit card information, click Save on File. The confirmation shows that the transaction was approved, but it was not processed. It also confirms that the credit card information was saved. We'll click OK. Now we'll click Save Post to process the transaction. Once you have clicked the Save Post button, a status bar will appear as the transaction is processed through Instamed. When processing is complete, a pop-up window will display the message that the transaction was either approved or denied. We'll click Yes to print a receipt. From here, you can print or save the receipt. And that's how you process a credit card payment for a visit using a scanner. Let's set the scene. While still in the office, Ethan's mom asked to charge a different card for the office visit. You need to void the processed credit card transaction. Because this transaction was posted today, we can void it from the Add Edit Appointment screen. We'll click on the Credit Card button, and then on the Ledger tab. We'll click the plus next to today's date and confirm that the transaction is the one we want to void. When confirmed, we'll click Void and Yes to confirm. The transaction was voided. We'll click Yes to print a receipt. And that is how to void a processed credit card transaction.